Hi, I'm Greggy Soriano from TLC's Cake Boss Next Great Baker, and today I'm going to show you frosting tips. Today I'm going to show you how to make striped frosting. So first, I'm going to need a piping bag with a tip on it, and some gel paste colors, and some buttercream. So right now I'm going to get some gel paste on my palette. We'll do some red. We'll do some blue. And what you want to do is get a round brush. What you want to do is you want to line the piping bag with some gel paste. You want to make a line with it inside the piping bag. Just like this. Then you want to get another round brush if you want to make it dual colored. And we'll put some red. We'll make another line inside. Just like this. Just like this. And then you want to get your frosting. Put it inside your piping bag. And I like to do it with the parchment piping bag, this technique, because the gel paste adheres to the parchment paper. When you use plastic, it doesn't really adhere to it. And now, you're going to squeeze out a little bit till you see it come out. So. And that is how you make. And when you do this, you want to drag it. So it's not like writing with a pen. It's totally different. It takes a little bit of practice. So you squeeze, and then you lift, and you want to try to not break the icing. And here you go. That's how you make striped frosting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit my website at www.cakelush.com.